Hello kids, we're gonna make a crazy burger. And what I'm doing with these burgers is, everyone's gone nuts for smash burgers, and I'm not gonna smash this. This is a beautiful 80-20 patty, thick as can be. We're gonna smoke it at 250. The bottom bun is gonna get one of my oaky aiolis. Now I can say that because my mom's from Oklahoma, but I'm cheating. But aioli essentially is mayonnaise anyway. Here's the first tip that I've gone nuts. Bacon jam. Now I normally make my own. I'm in a hurry, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon in with the mayonnaise. So you know what we're going to call this? Bacon jam aioli. Exactly what I wanted to taste. Exactly. Okay, maybe not exactly. Just bump it a little. Because if you liked a little bit, it means you're going to love a lot. Got the aioli out of the way. At the same time, which you'll see later, I've already sauteed the onions and toasted the buns. We're going to take these beautiful patties and we're going to hit them with double secret. Big smoky burger. Just because I'm on a black pepper kick, just a little bit of black pepper. We don't want to destroy them, but there we go. Pat it in there, flip over, double secret. Black pepper, just a little bit. Okay, like I said, these are going into the smoker at 250. Let's go out to the smoker. I'll see you there. Okay, we got them on the GMG. 250. We'll check them in about 15 minutes. Okay, look at these burgers. They're about halfway done. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take this bacon jam. You must think I've lost my mind. Spread it all around. Now, watch this. Bacon. The secret. Brie. Wait until you taste it. That's all I can say. Okay, let's build them one at a time. Start with this beautiful toasted bun. Here we go. Aioli on the bottom, lettuce to protect the bun, big nice fat burger, a mayo. Oh, it's so juicy. Follow us on all the social channels. Thanks for watching.